Arhara Mahadeva. Let's learn about the 25th Nama, Om Shashvataya Namaha. It means, I bow to Lord Shiva, the eternal and everlasting one. The meaning of Shashvata is that it's a Sanskrit word, it means eternal, the one being timeless, everlasting, or unchanging. As Shashvatam, Lord Shiva is the one who exists beyond time, beyond birth and death. Lord Shiva is called Shashvata because he existed before creation begins. He remains during the existence of the universe and he even continues after dissolution. While everything in the world changes body, mind, seasons, relationships but Shiva remains constant and eternal. This name reveals the highest truth that the universe is temporary. Life is constantly changing. Only the supreme consciousness is permanent. Shiva as Shashvata represents the unchanging reality behind all change. Chanting Om Shashvataya Namaha helps us to seek lasting peace behind temporary life. Stay steady during ups and downs. Remember the eternal soul within. The name teaches us to not to cling to temporary. Trust the eternal presence of Shiva. Walk the path towards moksha. Har Har Mahadeva. Thank you all.